At Dvalu Company, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive and tailored IT system lifecycle management services, designed to meet the unique needs of our clients at various stages of their business development. Our offerings are meticulously structured into 3 distinct bundles. 1. The System Discovery Bundle. 2. Express the System Design Bundle. 3. The Technical Handover Consultancy Bundle. Each bundle is crafted to deliver specific outputs and benefits, ensuring a seamless transition from ideation to implementation and beyond. The System Discovery Bundle. Express helps individuals validate and document their IT system ideas through high-level system concepts, business models, and simplified business requirements. 2. The System Design Bundle takes a step further, offering detailed strategic analysis, system wireframes, user flows, and comprehensive UI/UX designs, coupled with essential business documents and operational processes. Lastly, our Technical Handover Consultancy Bundle facilitates a smooth transition for businesses looking to progress to maintenance, support, or growth phases with another vendor, providing extensive technical and business documentation, resource planning, and process flow diagrams. By choosing Dvalu Company, businesses can ensure structured, efficient, and effective management of their IT systems, leading to enhanced operational efficiency, better resource allocation, and ultimately, accelerated business growth and success.